Troubleshooting your cable or satellite signal.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue you might encounter with your cable or satellite TV service. Is there an issue with the cable or satellite provider's signal or service? Let's delve deeper into this topic to help you understand and potentially solve these issues.
Common signs of signal issues.
When you experience problems with your cable or satellite signal, it can manifest in a few different ways. Pixelation or freezing of the image. This is usually the most common symptom of signal issues. Loss of certain channels. If you notice you've lost a group of channels, it might be a signal issue. No signal message. The most direct indication that there's a problem with the signal.
Internal checks. Is the issue on your end?
Before we jump into the possibility of an issue with the provider service, it's crucial to conduct some internal checks. Here's what you can do. Check your cable connections. Loose or damaged connections can lead to signal issues. Reboot your cable or satellite box. Sometimes a simple reboot can help fix the problem. Examine your setup for any recent changes. Have you recently moved your equipment? Maybe added a new device? If everything seems fine on your end, the problem might lie with your service provider.
Service provider checks. Is the issue on their end?
If internal checks have yielded no results, it's time to consider that the issue might be from the service provider. You can verify this by checking their social media or website. Many providers will post updates regarding service outages or disruptions. Contacting customer service. They can confirm if there's an issue with the signal or service. Talking to your neighbors. If they're also experiencing problems, it's likely a provider issue. By this point, you should have a pretty good idea of whether the issue with your cable or satellite signal is on your end or your service provider's. Remember, it's always best to start with internal checks before reaching out to your provider. We hope this guide helps you in troubleshooting your signal problems. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.